Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're flipping the script on what real marketing power looks like. Because loyalty is the ultimate marketing strategy. Most brands are obsessed with chasing new leads, running endless ads, and creating constant viral content. But smart brands know that the real gold isn't in constantly hunting new customers. It's in deepening the loyalty of the ones you already have. A loyal customer is worth more than 10 cold leads. They buy more often, they invest at higher levels, they refer more people, and they become natural brand advocates without you spending a dime on convincing. When you focus on loyalty, your marketing becomes magnetic instead of exhausting. Happy customers bring their friends. Loyal customers repost, recommend, and re-endorse you long after the initial transaction. They become walking billboards. Authentic, trusted sources that no paid ad could ever compete with. The key to building loyalty is consistent emotional investment. You don't just deliver products, you deliver experiences, you deliver relationships, you show up even after the sale. You make people feel like they're part of something, not just purchasers in a funnel. Another truth about loyalty is that it protects your brand during hard seasons. Trends change, algorithms shift, economies slow down. But loyal clients stay close because you've earned something deeper than attention. You've earned trust. Trust is the most powerful currency in the marketplace, and once you have it, your brand becomes far more resilient than brands that only chase the next viral hit. Final tip: don't just build for today's sale, build for tomorrow's loyalty. Because when you focus on nurturing real relationships instead of chasing random reach, your brand stops growing from force and starts growing from fire. Fourth, reward loyalty intentionally. Whether it's surprise bonuses, referral gifts, early access, or exclusive invites, rewarding clients who advocate for you strengthens the emotional and energetic tie they have to your brand. It shows them you don't just notice, you appreciate and honor their support. Final tip: your clients don't become your sales team because you ask them to. They become your sales team because you've made such an impact that sharing your brand feels like a reflection of their own success. Serve first, celebrate often, and watch them become your greatest marketing power.